Hi, warm welcome on Jaman's MATLAB coding. In this digital image processing episode, we would like to dig in digital image intensity function in MATLAB. Viewers need the background of clip 61, which addresses how MATLAB can read a digital image. Then clip 62, which addresses how one can separate the red, green and blue image components of a digital image. Then clip 63, which addresses image pixel coordinates. Any digital image is basically a discrete two-dimensional intensity function which we can denote as f of mn. Since a color image has three components, I mean red, green and blue, each component will be very similar to f of mn. And red component will have r of mn, green component will have g of mn, and blue component will have b of mn. And the mn will be a particular point or coordinate on the image area, and RGB values, these will be some discrete values, some integer values. Now in this clip we would like to address how we can have these intensity values from MATLAB. On the screen you see the repetition of clip 61 and 62 statements. In the first command line we read the image studio.jpg and assign the data to workspace variable f. In second, third and fourth command lines we extract the red, green and blue image data respectively. In the fifth command line we exercise a function, embedded function class over f. This function class basically tells us the data type or values stored in f in computer term, and which is here uint8. Similarly, if we exercise class over r, g or v, still we see the data class uint8. uint8 means unsigned 8-bit integer. As you know, in computer, data storage, processing, manipulation, everything happens in binary terms. So 2 to the power 8 equals 256, and intensity level is decided as 256 levels. So each of R, G and B has 256 levels, but mathematically the discrete intensity values are from 0 to 255. So you can write R, G and B between 0 and 255 as shown on the screen. In clip 61 we mentioned that the image has pixel size 1612 by 720. 1612 height dimension, 720 width dimension. Height dimension related with m, width dimension related with n. And we also mentioned that due to coordinate convention, m will be from 0 to 1611 and n will be from 0 to 719. Make no mistake that the intensity value and pixel coordinate are different things. R, G or B of mn is gray or chrome level or image component discrete intensity value, but mn pixel coordinate, which is basically a point on the image area. Alright, we are done for this clip. Do share, like and subscribe our contents. Encourage us so that we can improve, and also comment us regarding our clips. Bye for today. See you in next clip.